Hi everybody, it's Darby Girl 03. I am back. You don't have to pinch yourself. You don't have to adjust your computer settings. This is for real. It's not a dream. I'm back. I have been away for a long time, and I thank all of you who have sent me notes and encouraging words saying you wished I would come back and when am I coming back and am I all right and all those kind of things. Yes, I've been absolutely fine. Life happens. Life gets really, really busy. And what happened was when I made my very last video here on YouTube, it was around Christmas time, 2011. I really can't believe it's been that long. What happened was we live in a parsonage, as most of you know, and we were getting ready to remodel part of it. Well, I thought we're going to have contractors come in January and things will be all set by March, so around Easter time I'll be back up making videos again. Well, when they started to do the remodel, one thing led to another, and pretty soon, although we lived, and the key word is lived, in a really beautiful home, the church decided that it just needed a whole lot of revamping and updoing. So I thought, well, maybe I can still be back by March or April or first part of May, because I like to leave my room, my filming area set up, not taking it up and down every day. We had lots of contractors coming through who needed to measure walls and do all that kind of thing, and there was no possible way I could leave my video set up where it should be. So I was hoping I would get back here March would be 2012. Just about the time I was ready to come back, about Easter time, we got a phone call asking us if we would move to a new location, to a new church. We thought about it, prayed about it, and realized that this was really where we were supposed to be and what we were supposed to do. So instead of making videos after Easter, I started packing boxes. We moved to a new part of the state we lived in. I had never been to that part of the state before, and it was just a whole new adventure. We love where we are, but it's just a whole new way of living almost. It's almost as if we moved several states away, not just a few hours away. During that time of the remodeling and of the getting ready to move, I had two children who had moved out come back to live with us for a while. So that made things, although wonderful, even more busy and impossible to make videos with all that going on too. So here we are today. We're a year in. We've been living in our new location for a year. We love it. We've connected with the people here. We've gotten to know the area. Both of my children who had moved back in have now once again moved back out. We are officially empty nesters. So I thought this is a really good time to get back into my videos. I'm going to be here a couple of days a week, usually Monday or Tuesday. I'm thinking I'll probably upload my thought for the week on Tuesday and then do some kind of a makeup review on Thursday. So you'll probably see me Tuesdays and Thursdays on this channel for a while at least. I'd like to get my thought for the week up on Monday, but I just don't know that that's really going to happen. So that's where we are right now. We're going to have a lot of fun. I'm really excited to be back. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, if there's any particular products you want to have reviewed. But that's it. I'm back, and this week will be a little different. You'll probably see a couple of videos coming up really soon because it's my first week back, and this was kind of an intro video. So I'm going to be filming today. You're going to see me in the same outfit a couple of times, but I hope that's okay with you. I am just thrilled to be back, thrilled to be with all of you, and let's get rolling. See you soon. Bye-bye.